It's Sunday, May 7th, and today I'm going to plant potatoes in 5-gallon buckets and I'm going to show you how I do it. So I'm going to make sure that I'm going to put a lot of drainage holes in the bottoms of the bucket. Next, I'm going to fill the buckets with about, say, 5 to 6 inches of soil. So I'm just going to even it out a bit and pick out the big pieces. This soil is from a hugelkultur that we had that broke down, mixed with garden soil. So I just got all potatoes, the russet, but they started to sprout. So I'm just going to use these and see how this works out. So I'm going to put 2 seed potatoes per bucket. And you can see I put the buckets on top of a little skid so they'll have plenty of drainage. So now that they're covered, I covered them in a couple of inches of soil, probably 3. And then we're going to set them in the full sun on top of this skid. The skid, it'll make it so that they could drain easy, because the potatoes don't like soggy soil. It can actually make them rot. And then the plan is, when they start to grow, we'll fill in as they grow. So it's been 113 days since I planted these potatoes, and today I'm going to dump them out and see if we can get anything from them. You can see there's pretty much nothing left of them. The bugs have pretty much eaten every leaf, just about. Oh, we have potatoes. They're not super big, but we'll still eat them. Let's try another one. Yeah, there's lots of little ones. Russets are usually much bigger. Not bad from the grocery store. Well, it does work. bucket number 3. Oh, these are a little bigger. These are from potatoes that I would have just thrown out. Number 4. That one's not bad. And the last one. So if you're ever in like small spaces and you feel you can't grow, you can. Container gardening is just great. You don't need a big space. You don't even need expensive seed potatoes. Or cheap ones, I guess. You just free ones from the grocery store. Because they were looking old, but they had sprouted. I thought, why not give it a try? And it worked. And these will taste so good. Especially French fries. Fresh potatoes. You cut them and make French fries. It's so good. So I think that may be it. But it did work. I'll just have to clean these up. Normally you'd let the soil dry out. I haven't watered these, but the rain kind of watered it for me. Let them dry out like a week or so before you pull them. So it took 113 days to grow these potatoes.